Now you see problem number 7. Problem number 7. Y is equal to log of 1 plus x minus 2x by 2 plus x is increasing function, just increasing, not strictly decreasing, increasing. This is increasing means greater than or equal to 0 you have to show. Just greater than 0 is there means that is a strictly increasing. Greater than or equal to 0 if we are showing, that is strictly, just increasing function. Show that conditions, type 1 problem this is. And the domain is x is greater than minus 1. X is greater than minus 1 means minus 1, 0, 1, 2, so on infinity. So I can write that as a minus 1 comma infinity also. So now given function y is equal to, already I wrote here as it is function. Previous problem f of x is there, here y, just that is a change. Derivation with respect to x, y dash is equal to d by dx of log of 1 plus x minus d by dx of 2x by 2 plus x, 2x by 2 plus x, that is equal to d by dx of log x derivation is 1 by 1 plus x. 1 plus x is there, x place 1 plus x is there, 1 derivation is 0, x derivation is 1. No need to write here, right means right, no problem. But this one no use, 1 into anything only will get, minus this one u by v formula, v into u dash d by dx of 2x minus 2x into d by dx of 2 plus x divided by 2 plus x whole square, 2 plus x whole square. This is equal to 1 by 1 plus x minus 2 plus x into 2x derivation is 2. 2x derivation is 2 minus 2x into 2 derivation is 0, x derivation is 1 divided by 2 plus x whole square, divided by 2 plus x whole square. Next, simplify this one. 1 by 1 plus x minus product you make 4, I'll write bracket 4 plus 2x minus 2x divided by 2 plus x whole square plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled. So now take the LCM. Otherwise write one step. 1 by 1 plus x minus 4 by 2 plus x whole square. Take the LCM. 1 plus x into 2 plus x whole square. 2 plus x whole square minus 4 into 1 plus x. Cross multiply, LCM taking 2 square is 4, x square is x square plus 4x. A plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4 minus 4x divided by 1 plus x into 2 plus x whole square. So now 4x cancel, 4 cancel, x square y dash is equal to x square by 1 plus x 2 plus x whole square. In for every x belongs to minus 1 comma infinity or x is greater than minus 1, y dash value will be, what is the y dash value? Greater than or less than. So you take minus 1 greater values 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. 0 I'll substitute first. 0, by 1 into 2. So 0 by anything is 0. Equal 0 getting 1 position, equal 0 taking means equal 0 getting. Next, 2 I'll take 4, 3, 4. 4 by 12, 1 by 3, positive number. Any positive number you take, compulsory positive number only you will get. Greater than 0 you will get. Equal 0 taking means 0 getting. So y dash value is greater than or equal to 0 in this interval for every x belongs to domain they given, that is that condition only we are taking. X is belongs to -1 comma infinity or x is greater than -1, y dash is greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, y is increasing. Y is increasing in its domain. In its domain. Increasing. Why? Because greater than or equal 0 getting increasing. Greater than 0 getting strictly increasing. So pause the video to note it down this problem. Next, problem number 8. Find the value of x. Find the value of x is nothing but find the intervals. Find the intervals means second type problem this is. So first of all, given increasing is asking, increasing, that also you remember. Given y is equal to x into x minus 2 whole square. I'll simplify first this one. X square minus 2x whole square. Derivation with respect to x. Y dash is equal to x. This total take as a x. X square derivation is 2x. X place another variable is there. So derivation with respect to x for other variables. Other element what is there, other equation is there. So that one derivation you make. 2 into x square minus 2x into this derivation is 2x minus 2. 2x minus 2. 2 into, in this one, x take common. X take common. How much will get a x minus 2. Here 2 take common, x minus 1. 2 to the 4x into x minus 1, x minus 2. Just I am replacing x1, x minus 1, x minus 2. This is y dash value. Now, let y dash is equal to 0. We know that y dash is equal to 0. Second step. So 4x into x minus 1, x minus 2 is equal to 0. 4 send that side. X minus 1, x minus 2 is equal to 0. That is x equal to 0 and x equal to 1, x equal to 2. Therefore, x equal to 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. Take the real line. Minus infinity to plus infinity. 0, 1, 2. How many intervals is there? 3 points is there. 3 points getting critical points. So that's why 4 intervals you will get. Which divides the real line. Real line. How many parts it will divide real line into 4 disjoint intervals. 4 disjoint intervals. 4 disjoint intervals that are minus infinity, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, infinity. 2, infinity. So table you write interval sine of f dash of x, sine of f dash of x. Next, nature nature of f of x. Same procedure, all problems. Interval finding is very important here. Minus infinity comma 0, 0 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma infinity. So now take examples. Taking is also important. 0 comma minus infinity less than 0 minus 1 I'll take. Substitute here minus 1. Substitute here x place minus 1. Negative minus 1 substitution minus 1 minus 2 negative minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 negative 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 total will be negative. Negative means less than 0. Less than 0. If we are substituting right here, any problem, doubt is there? Minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Total will be negative. So that type we have to. First negative getting means next one positive, next one negative. So check once, just you check by this one. 0 comma 1, 0 0.5, 0 0.5, positive, 0 0.5 minus 1, negative, 0 0.5 minus 2, negative. That will become positive. Next here greater than 0 will get here, less than 0 will get here, greater than. 1 comma 2, take 1.5, 1.5, positive, 1.5 minus 1, positive, 1.5 minus 2, negative, plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus, negative. 2 comma infinity, more than 2, 3 you take, 3 positive, 3 minus 1 positive, 3 minus 2 positive is equal to positive. So greater than 0. 1 getting proper means remaining alternate you will get. Direct also you can write it. Next, nature. Nature means what you will get a nature here? Strictly decreasing, strictly increasing, strictly decreasing, strictly increasing. Greater than 0 getting means strictly increasing. Less than 0 getting means strictly decreasing function. So pause the video to note it down. Next, problem number 9. Y is equal to 4 sin theta by 2 plus cos theta minus theta is an increasing function of theta in closed interval. In that interval, it is increasing function. You have to show. First type problem this is. So solution is given y is equal to 4 sin theta by 2 plus cos theta minus theta. Derivation with respect to x dy by dx. Sorry, here theta terms is there, total theta terms is there. So theta you have to make with respect to theta. Here also theta. Their previous problems x is in that interval, x is in r like that. Here theta is there with respect to theta. Dy by d theta is equal to d by d theta of 4 sin theta divided by 2 plus cos theta minus d by d theta of theta. U by v formula. U by v formula what? U into, this is v, this is u. Okay, this is u upside. So v into u dash d by dx of 4 sin theta minus 4 sin theta u into d by d theta of 2 plus cos theta whole divided by 2 plus cos theta whole square minus theta derivation is 1. That you have to write, don't forget that one. Next, 2 plus cos theta, 2 plus cos theta, derivation of 4 sin theta is 4 cos theta minus 4 sin theta into 2 derivation is 0. Cos theta derivation is minus sin theta whole divided by 2 plus cos theta whole square is minus 1. Now simplify this one. Dy by d theta is equal to 2 into 4 cos theta, 8 cos theta plus cos theta into 4 cos theta, 4 cos square theta minus minus into minus plus 4 sin theta into sin theta plus 4 sin square theta whole divided by 2 plus cos theta whole square minus 1. 2 plus cos square theta whole square minus 1. Now 8 cos theta plus 4 common taking, cos square theta plus sin square theta divided by 2 plus cos theta whole square minus 1. So now I'll write 8 cos theta plus 4 into 1 by 2 plus cos theta whole square. Sir, why writing 1, sir? Trigonometric identity. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 minus 1. 8 cos theta plus 4 minus of 2 plus cos theta whole square divided by 2 plus cos theta whole square. That is equal to 8 cos theta plus 4 minus this simplification. 2 plus cos theta whole square simplification is 4 2 square plus cos square theta plus 2 to the 4 cos theta divided by 2 plus cos theta whole square. A plus b whole square formula applied there. Now minus 4 plus 4 cancel. Cos square theta, 8 cos theta minus 4 cos theta, 8 cos theta minus 4 cos theta plus 4 cos theta divided by 2 plus cos theta whole square. This is the dy by d theta. dy by d theta. For every theta belongs to 0 comma closed interval 0 comma pi by 2. For every theta belongs to 0 comma pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. Any value you substitute here, dy by d theta value greater than or equal to 0. Why? Because equal 90. 90 taking means 0 plus 0 by 2 plus 0. 0 by 2 is 0. Equal 0 also getting. Greater than 0 you will get, or equal 0 also you are getting. Substitute any. 30 you substitute. 30 substitution means greater than 0 you will get. 60 substitute. And simplify. Greater than or equal 0. Greater than or equal 0 means what? Function is increasing. Just increasing. Therefore, y is increasing in closed interval 0 to pi by 2. Closed interval 0 to pi by 2 increasing function is shown here. Pause the video to note it down. Next, problem number 10. Prove that logarithmic function is strictly increasing on open interval 0 comma infinity. Solution is, let f of x is equal to logarithmic function. Log x I am taking. So first step, what? Derivation with respect to x. Derivation with respect to x, what you'll get? F dash of x is equal to 1 by x. In otherwise, for every x belongs to 0 comma infinity, f dash of x value greater than 0 or less than 0, that we have to find. 0 after 0, 0.5. 1 by 0.5 is some positive number. 1 by 1 is 1. 1 by 2 is 0.5. Any number you take after 0, it will be greater than 0. And 0 also won't get. So just greater than 0. F dash of x is greater than 0 means f of x is strictly increasing in open interval 0 comma infinity. Interval asking, interval you write. Interval not asking, real line you have to write. Capital R. In capital R you have to write. Here interval asking, so interval you have to show. Next, problem number 11. Given function first, f of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. Prove that function is neither increasing nor decreasing in the interval minus 1 comma 1. Minus 1 comma 1. For that purpose, same method we have to apply, but final answer conclusion change we have to make. Derivation with respect to 2x, f dash of x is equal to 2x minus 1. X square derivation is 2x, x derivation is 1, 1 derivation is 0. No need to write 0 that. Let f dash of x is equal to 0. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, x equal to 1 by 2. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 means 2x is equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 2. So, take the real line. Real line no need here. Here interval is there, so minus 1 comma 1 you take just. No need to take real line. Previous problems they didn't given any interval. That time you have to take the real line. If intervals they given, that intervals only you have to take. So 1 by 2, that is nothing but 0.5. 0.5. 1 by 2 divides the interval minus 1 comma 1 into two disjoint intervals. Two disjoint intervals which divides minus 1 comma 1 into two disjoint intervals that are, what are that? Minus 1 comma 1 by 2, 1 by 2 comma 1, 1 by 2 comma 1. Now write the box. Interval minus 1 comma 1 by 2, 1 by 2 comma 1. Sign of f dash of x, nature of f of x, nature of f of x. So now in this interval, first interval minus 1 comma 0.5, minus 1 to 0.5 middle 0 is there, 0 I'll take. Substitute here 0. 0 substitute means negative getting. Negative getting means less than 0. 1 by 2 to 1 more than 0.5. Any value substitute, compulsory positive you will get. Here in this one you have to substitute. Any doubt is there, substitute one point and calculate positive or negative you write. Just positive or negative, no need to write that point. Greater than 0. Here strictly less than 0, strictly increasing, strictly decreasing, strictly decreasing. Now problem is minus 1 comma 1 we have to need. You see minus 1 comma 1 increasing or decreasing is asking. So first you see minus 1 comma 1 by 2 decreasing, 1 by 2 comma 1 increasing. Total interval in this interval minus 1 comma 1 decreasing and increasing. I told starting only. In one interval increasing decreasing is there means it is neither increasing nor decreasing. Therefore by above f of x is neither increasing nor decreasing strictly in interval minus 1 comma 1. Why? Because one in this interval half it is decreasing, half it is increasing. Two possibilities is there. That time we can't say that it is increasing decreasing, neither increasing nor decreasing strictly. Why? Because strictly conditions getting, so strictly we have to write. So pause the video to note it down. Now problem number 12. Which of the following functions strictly decreasing on 0 comma pi by 2 interval, open interval 0 comma pi by 2, which is strictly decreasing is asking. So solution, first one A, let f of x is equal to cos x. F of x is equal to cos x. F dash of x is equal to derivation with respect to 2x. F dash of x is equal to minus sin x. This is less than 0 for every x belongs to open interval 0 comma pi by 2. Why? Because 0 to pi by 2 sin x value is positive. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 3 by root 3 by 2. But negative sign is there. This one positive into negative. So less than 0. Therefore, f of x is strictly decreasing in 0 comma pi by 2. So this is decreasing, strictly decreasing. Next option, next problem number B. Let f of x is equal to sin 2x. So derivation with respect to 2x. F dash of x is equal to sin 2x derivation is minus cos 2x into 2, that is minus 2 cos, problem is here. F of x is equal to cos 2x. F of x is equal to cos 2x, derivation with respect to x. F dash of x is equal to minus sin 2x into 2. 2x derivation is 2 is equal to minus 2 sin 2x. F dash of x is equal to minus 2 sin 2x is less than 0 for every x is belongs to 0 comma pi by 2. Substitute any value here. Pi by 6, that is 30. 30 substitution. Pi by 6 here substitute means pi by 3 it will become. Pi by 3, 60. Root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. Minus root 3, less than 0 getting. So less than 0 getting, f of x is strictly decreasing in 0 comma pi by 2. This is also satisfying. Next, problem number C. Let f of x is equal to sin 3x, cos 3x. Derivation with respect to 2x. F dash of x is equal to, f dash of x is equal to what you'll get, minus sin 3x. 3x derivation is 3. Minus 3 sin 3x. This problem previous problems method we have to apply. Let f dash of x is equal to 0 implies minus 3 sine 3x is equal to 0. Sine 3x is equal to 0. 3x is equal to pi. X is equal to pi by 3. So interval is 0 to pi by 2. Pi by 3. Sir, why not taking here, sir? This one if we are taking also, 2x is equal to pi, x is equal to pi by 2. Again, same point you will get. So no use of that one. But this position you have to take compulsory equal to 0. This is the first part. Second part, which divides 0 comma open interval 0 comma pi by 2 into two disjoint intervals that are direct I am writing intervals 0 comma pi by 3 comma pi by 2 sine of f dash of x nature of f of x, sine of f of x, nature of f of x. 0 to pi by 3, 0 to pi by 3, sine 3x is there. Pi by 3 lesser than pi by 3 if we are taking. Pi by 3 means what? 60. 0 to 60, 45 degrees. 45 degrees where it will be? First quadrant or second quadrant. Sine 3x value will be first quadrant or second quadrant. Sine 3x value is positive, but minus sine 3x is there. So negative you will get. Here negative, here positive. Strictly decreasing, strictly increasing, strictly increasing, strictly decreasing. Therefore, by above 0 to pi by 2, here pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, decreasing and increasing. Both possibilities is that it is neither strictly increasing nor strictly decreasing. So in this position, it is not satisfy this condition, strictly decreasing condition. Next, problem number D. Just I'll write here f of x. Let f of x is equal to tan x. Derivation with respect to 2x. F dash of x is equal to secant square x. Secant square x 0 to pi by 2, positive getting or negative getting. Secant x is a positive you will get compulsory. 0 to pi by 2, every trigonometric ratio is positive. Square also positive one. So greater than 0 for every x is belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Therefore, f of x is strictly increasing. So this is also not satisfied. So pause the video to note it down. Next, problem number 13. And which of the following intervals this function is strictly decreasing is asking. Solution. First A, given f of x. Otherwise, I'll take first given f of x is equal to x power 100 plus sin x minus 1. Sin x minus 1. F of x is equal to f dash of x is equal. Derivation with respect to x. 100 into x power 99 plus sin x derivation is cos x. 10 into x power n minus 1 plus sin x derivation is cos x. So now A in for every x belongs to 0 comma 1. F dash of x value positive or negative. Take 0 to 1 here substitute means this value is positive plus 0 to 90, 0 to 90 compulsory cos value will be positive 1. 0 to 1 also positive 1. So greater than, right here is greater than 0 and cos x is also greater than 0. Positive plus positive, so positive. Therefore, f of x is strictly increasing. Strictly increasing. Next, B. For every x belongs to pi by 2 comma pi. I'll write here cos x value is less than 0. 90 to 180. Cos value is negative. X 100 into x power 99 is positive. From these two, we can write 100 x power 99 is greater than cos x. Why? Because 0 is greater than 0. 0 is greater than cos x. So, this value is greater than cos x from these two conclusions. So, 100 x power 99 minus cos x is greater than 0. Therefore, f dash of x is greater than 0. F of x is strictly increasing. Strictly increasing. Okay. Next, this is also increasing. This is also increasing. Next, one more is there. We'll see that for every x is belongs to 0 comma 90. Cos x is positive. 100 into x power 99 also positive. Therefore, f dash of x is greater than 0. Why? Because positive plus positive is positive. Therefore, f of x is strictly increasing. Strictly increasing. What is asking strictly decreasing? So, option D, none. None of the interval is strictly decreasing. So, next problem number 14. Pause the video to note it down. Next, problem number 14. Find the least value of a such that the function is strictly increasing. Least value of a we have to find here. For that purpose, solution given f of x is equal to x square plus ax plus 1. Derivation with respect to 2x. F dash of x is equal to 2x plus a. X square derivation is 2x, ax derivation is a. What is asking? Strictly increasing. Strictly increasing means f dash of x is greater than 0. 2x plus a is greater than 0. 2x is greater than minus a, x is greater than minus a by 2. What is asking? Least value in that interval. Least value of 1 comma 2, that is minus a by 2 is equal to 1. Least value when nearer to 1. Nearer to 1 means 1 I am taking. So a is equal to minus a is equal to a is equal to minus 2. This is the least value. That function will be strictly increasing. Next, problem number 5. Problem number 5. I be a interval disjoint from minus 1 comma 1. Other than minus 1 comma 1 interval, any interval if you are taking, this function is strictly increasing. We have to show. Solution. Let f of x, given f of x plus 1 by x, derivation with respect to x. Derivation with respect to x, what will get? F dash of x is equal to 1 plus minus 1 by x square. 1 by x square. Why? Because 1 by x derivation is minus 1 by x square. Take the LCM. X square x square minus 1. F dash of x is equal to x square minus 1 divided by x square. What is asking? Other than that one. Other than that one. For every x is less than minus 1. After minus 1 I am taking minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 the total. Minus 1 taking f dash of x values. If we are substituting negative value also compulsory here, greater than 0 you will get. And x is greater than 1. X is greater than 1 other than the 1, 2, 3, 4 any value substitute also here. F dash of x is greater than 0. Therefore f of x is strictly increasing. Here also f of x is strictly increasing. Strictly increasing. Therefore f of x is increasing, strictly increasing other than minus 1 comma 1. We are taking other than minus 1 comma 1, all places strictly increasing. That only we have to do. Disjoint means different other than the closed interval minus 1 comma 1. So pause the video to note it down. Next, problem number 16. Prove that the function, given function f of x is equal to log of sin x is strictly increasing in one interval, strictly decreasing in another interval. You have to show here. For that purpose, derivation with respect to x, f dash of x is equal to 1 by sin x. Sir, why writing sir 1 by sin x? Log sin x derivation is 1 by sin x. Sin x derivation is cos x. That is equal to cos by sin cot x. F dash of x is equal to cot x. Now, for every x belongs to 0 to pi by 2, f dash of x is cot x will be positive. Every trigonometric ratio 0 to pi by 2 is positive. So cot x also it is positive. Therefore, f of x is strictly increasing in 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. For every x belongs to pi by 2 comma pi, f dash of value is less than 0. Sir, why less than 0? Cos is negative from 90 to pi, 90 to 180. Cos is negative. Cos by sin is nothing but cot. So cos negative getting means cot also negative you will get. So f dash of x is less than 0 in this interval. F of x is strictly decreasing in pi by 2 comma pi. Otherwise second quadrant cot is negative. Right here, second quadrant. This is first quadrant. Cot is positive. First quadrant, cot x is positive. Here second quadrant, cot x is negative. So negative, less than 0, strictly decreasing. So this is the problem number 16, and remaining 3 problems is there in this exercise 6.2. So that easy problems already we discussed lot of that type problems, especially 17 problem you see. Just here log of sin x is there, log of cos x is there. So minus tan x you will get that one. Derivation of f dash of x is minus tan x, and show that the two intervals that is strictly increasing or decreasing. Do this one. Next is a increasing function. Increasing function means what we have to show. Increasing function is asking. Increasing function means greater than or equal to 0 you have to show on every real number. Derivation you make. Derivation if you are making 1 minus a square minus 2ab plus b square formula you will get. A minus b whole square if you are applying positive you will get. This already we did this type problem. Do this one. Next, and which interval it is increasing. Actually, strictly increasing we have to write. Why? Because open intervals is a strictly increasing. So closed intervals is a strictly increasing. We have to write here. Y dash you find first. UV formula apply. UV formula apply. After that, increasing is asking. Increasing means y dash is greater than or equal to 0. Otherwise, you take here greater than or equal to 0. So greater than or equal to 0 if you are making. Already one problem we did, previous problem. Same to same, greater than or equal to 0 you take, and which interval is correct one, increasing one, you will get. Direct if you are making one interval you will get. In this one, that which option is there that you have to choose. So pause the video to note it down these problems, and these three problems leave the space and do these problems. This exercise finished by this problem.